Coming up, coming up. I'm sitting, guys. I'm sitting Godzilla GTR twin turbo. The model is 2014 model. All right. Yeah, I got the keys with me. They're the bugger. They're the keys for it. Oh shit! That's focus. Get me put it down there. They're the keys for it. In the coupe, right? When I found out this now, you actually put the key in here. To start, right? Nice on the dog. He's starting to press the brakes, right? I'm turning on the Godzilla. Keys out, right? Whatsoever, you do not need to put a key in that slot, right? Because it's wireless, for GTR key, you can put it in your pocket, right? So I've been semi auction for past 8 months, until today. Yes, I'm very, very excited, guys. What the fuck? I'm feeling Godzilla. So the thing is, I'm very nervous. Nah, I'm not fucking on you guys. I'm nervous. I remember something with Godzilla. There's so many out in the market. God, no one knows. Yes, it was. Yes, it does roars like high pitch rev. Can I say that Godzilla after all? 4 pipes. What a beauty, what a beauty. Yeah, they got a warning range. Fuel is almost empty on the tank. Hey, long it came back. He got long. He got long after he came back in the market. Over the one after the other guy, Skyline. Over, it came here last month.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So I'm in the auction. You cannot rev the engine. Because you're not allowed. But look at it, see how she grows. See, fucking amazing. Excuse me. Jack off. No, don't have COVID. I got jack off. She actually fucking grows. She fucking grows like a fucking beast. So, like, not sounding kilowatts. You push him almost 600 kilowatts horsepower on the engine. So let me cut it off. Yeah. So. That's off. Because when she starts, so when she starts, she growls the fucking no mercy for life. That didn't work. Okay, wait. The guy wanted to see the car, how the car is.
Hey, bro.
Okay, bro.
Sorry. Hey, I'm nothing fit. Argue na mena no reply tayo.
Oh, full mask properly.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, this is not a normal car, this is.
Yeah.
Not normal BMW. I'm sure not BMW driving this, no.
This is nice, bro.
Well, tomorrow we get a nice price, 1.5 million. They say 1.5 million.
Hey! I can't afford this.
No problem. So there he is.
Good luck.
I will. So the thing is, yeah, that's the other guy. It says 1.5 million. It's not average buyer, this car's. God, this is Godzilla. So where I was. So we got a map here. Alright. So I've got it to push. Okay, wait. Hey, do this. Oh, there's it. So that came on by clicking at that engine start button, like a launch. So you got normal FM, map. Okay, that's not touch screen. Read touch screen. Route. Country. Okay, this is going to take me a long way to go in to see. Oh, shut up, man. Coming up. That's where I was. You got your navigation, audio, Bluetooth, volume beeps, display. Other. Camera. So that camera got the reverse camera when you're backing up. Okay, you need the USB stick. View pictures. Not pictures, pictures, photographs. Okay, there can be a $1 million question. So there can be a $1 million question. Right? Are you ready for this? 2016, 2018 GTR Godzilla. It has a mapping screen, mapping this custom this yeah, mapping display function when you have your normal spot, like normal, it's a normal driving without a performance, the normal. Two, three is eco mode. Right. Thirdly, you can choose hard or soft driving. That third. But wait for it. Fourth. The fourth one. The fourth one, when you press the sport mode, that becomes very good get stuff, great stuff. When you're taking up, flowing it down, that is fourth. But whatsoever on this model, I don't see it anyway. Because it is a normal one. It does normal. There is traction. Traction. There's your spring. I think so. The spring. The picture looking very disturbingly. Your DDS. Your traction control. And a DVD player after all. Powered by Bose speakers and DVD plays for the Bose. Do you know this? No aux. So guys, what you really like this Godzilla? Keep on thumbs up. Join our club. Link. Well, join the link bottom. I've seen it bottom. Subscribe right now. Until the next Godzilla come on our way. I don't know. I know guys in Japan will love this my YouTube channel because they were telling me go for it. But this model is not the one I'm looking for. It's not the one I'm looking for. So I'm out from here. So that'll be last time I'm having this look because tomorrow morning will be an auction sale. That is 19 inch or 22 inch. Yeah, I don't know why they got non-plate hole because it's not we have a non-plate hole. Because Godzilla is a super fast car. Yeah, got the Nissan brake pads, braking system. Let's try it first. Yeah, I said putting the black. what it means, right? It's not all ready, no. It should be G, just ready. G ready is something else. So that's pop the hood. You can see out. Show you what it means. Oh boy, coming up. Find the